Hi. This doesn't seem to be okay. Judy Weekly. I'm going to talk about the how I use technology in my profession. I'm an American Sign Language teacher, and I also teach over distance learning. So some of the things that I do, I have a TV screen in my room, 2 of them for my students in the classroom, and for my so they can see the other students, and then I have another television. The one TV is for seeing the other students, and one TV is for the PowerPoints that I put up on the screen, or for students' work, or things that I want to share, like on DPAN TV. What I put up here is one of my books. It's called this is the We Sign book. And my students have this manual in paper, but this is why I like using it over the having students have access to this virtually, because they can actually take and click on things. It'll take them to certain spots. Let me just go to like what the other things in the book look like. Let me just back out here. So this was produced by Onondaga Community College, a few professors down there. So, for example, when we say we're looking at classifiers, and then we go into there, it shows the hand shapes, ASL versus English semantics. So see, it's showing what is correct, the right way to show running, like they are showing water, running. Now this would be the kind, like the verb we would be running. So the second picture is correct, and it would, so they could always go back and reference this. They would see, and it's running, okay, from the faucet. I just love the visuals in the book. Let me go to some vocabulary here just to share where I can actually click on the video so that they can understand the correct way of signing it. Train gone, okay? So again, this is a great tool. I use Docs Online. This is an electronic book, the videos. And again, I just want to reference it was We Sign Books by the professors at Onondaga Community College, Jenny Sabo. And the other thing I do is for demonstrations, I have my students put their info up. They send me their Google Slides, and I put it up on the screen so that they can sign and watch the whole time. They're signing to me while they're reading the screen, making sure they're matching their information. Okay, well, that's American Sign Language, just a little look into it.